In this video, we are going to show you how to turn research into scripts using Poppy AI. Now, as you can see here, we have opened a board. Now, in this board, I have pasted this scholarly article from Google Scholar. And if I want to turn the contents of this article, this is a very long article, by the way, into a script, it's quite simple. I want to click on AI chat to open a LLM. There we go, and connect it like so. And here, I would want to type, I want you to create a 5-page script for a YouTube video about the article connected. Press enter. It's now going to start creating an article, 5-page, give or take. There you go. I can also click generate script, but it is not available for us at the moment, but doesn't matter because it is creating a script nonetheless. So let's wait for it to finish. Page 2. So as you can see, it is going page by page. Hook and introduction, the scale of the problem. It's just start to create more. So you kind of get what you're seeing here, right? And then page 3. So once this is done, I said five pages, right? Once this is done, which I think we're gonna make it run until it's done. It's almost done, right? We're over halfway. There you go. And it gives you actually cues for the editor, right? Page 4. There you go. So you're seeing the script made, right? And now you can actually tweak this however you want, but it is doing it for you. There you go. We're almost done. Page 5, last page. It's going to give you a closing because it is a script, right? And this is, by the way, a very bare bones prompt. You know, make me a 5-page script. You can be as precise and as pointed as you want, right? As you can see here, it says here, script length is over around 2,800 words. Estimated runtime 13 to 16 minutes. Source is going to show you our source, an end card, post, outro, etc. So it's pretty much that. And then the good thing about this is you can just copy with formatting and then paste it on a Google Doc, on a Google Word document, right? And then just tweak it as much as you want. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description below. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.